The third version of this design is the X Convertible concept, which combines the lovely exterior with a folding hardtop roof. The X Speedium Coupe idea from this summer expanded on the 2021 Genesis X concept strong and clean design language with a longer, gently sloping roofline and a new lighting signature to denote the car's electric engine. In keeping with the series, Genesis unveiled the X Convertible concept today at a gathering prior to the Los Angeles Auto Show. The X Convertible's breathtakingly gorgeous appearance is unsurprising given its powerful dimensions and simple yet precise lines. The hood extends for miles in front of the windshield, and the idea features a lengthy wheelbase and a small front overhang. Strong creases over the enormous, very complex wheels give them a dynamic stance. The X Speedium's unique triangular, grille-shaped headlamps are still there, and the convertible's roof finishes in a ducktail spoiler. The folding hardtop roof of the X Convertible has integrated glass moonroofs. The inside features the same layout as the previous two concepts, with an L-shaped piece of glass shared by the infotainment screen and digital dash that is tilted toward the driver. The seats are covered in leather, and the interior of the cabin is decorated with recyclable wool cloth. Genesis tells us that jiwa are the roof tiles on Korean homes and danchan are the traditional decorative colorings on traditional Korean wooden buildings. The interior color combination of jiwa navy and danchan orange is influenced in part by traditional Korean roof architecture. Every day brings a fresh discovery. The X Convertible's technical specifications were kept a secret by Genesis, who only said that it is built on the same electric powertrain and architecture as the other two X concepts. Although the X Convertible only has 2 doors, it can accommodate 4 people, but we assume the back seats to be quite confined like those in most sports vehicles. The X Convertible, like the other two X concepts, is unlikely to be produced, but we're hoping the striking design portends well for the future of the Genesis nameplate.